So in this video, what I want to do is I want to share the flow from customer to client and show you or talk about the exact steps that have helped me sign over 250 clients and make 854K in revenue since 2023 with a very, very simple model, right? So I'm a little bit old school in the sense that I like doodling. So I've created this little doodle over here that I'll also attach below and pin to this video so you can take a look as we go along. But essentially what happened to me was I went down this sort of bro marketing, hustle bro bus before in 2023, where I was sending a bunch of cold outreach. I was getting on sales calls. I scaled my business to like 20 to 30K a month when it came to my coaching outside my agency. But something didn't feel truly aligned. It was a lot of, how do we call it, like push marketing instead of pull marketing, because I was pushing leads to turn into clients, like getting them on calls and accepting anyone with a heartbeat and a credit card, right, that would say yes. And to me, that wasn't a business that I wanted to build, right? That misalignment meant my time on sales calls and all of that was taking away from my family, from my personal life, my hobbies, and all in all wasn't something that I wanted to do because naturally I was a creative. I played music for 15 years and studied jazz in the past. Feels like a past life for now, looking back, but also a creative at heart who was a writer, right? Like I've helped a lot of people with email marketing and posting and LinkedIn and all of that. So as an introvert at the heart of what I did, I didn't want to do these calls. So what did I do? There's 4 steps with an additional 5th bonus step, if you like, that helped me scale to the numbers that I shared, which was 854K in profit over the last 2 years, right? So what did I do? I built an audience of 46,000 approximately now at the time of this recording on LinkedIn, and I've got an email list of about 4,800 people. So when I made the switch, I sort of said my program was called Modern Maker, and I wanted to embody that, making things, doing things, putting them out there, demonstrating, showing people what we are good at doing and leading by demonstration. So I said, I've got this audience and I need to basically, instead of turn them from a lead to a client, I wanted to sell something really small, like offer them a really small snack for a fee, right? So they can show me intent. But that small snack was something like $1 to $100 instead of selling the big thing. And then create a pool of customers that I could then sell them the big thing. And that is the reason why my very small pool of 400 customers accounts for 95% of my profit, right? Because I'm talking to people that have already transacted with me. So looking at this little model that I created here was I already had clients that I was serving one-on-one and serving in a group setting. So what I did was I would create workshops for clients. Those workshops were things that we were going to do anyway. Like for the last 3 years, I've been doing a weekly workshop Tuesday at 6 p.m. for my Modern Makers. Sometimes it's a Q&A, sometimes we bring guests, sometimes I teach them stuff. But I was going, okay, now that I'm creating this workshop for my existing clients, can I sell tickets to my 46K audience or my 4.8K email list? Can I get them just to transact? So I would create a really simple checkout page, put up, anything between 50 to $100 as a ticket and write a few story-driven emails and convert a lead into a once-off customer, right? So that entire process We joke around inside Modern Maker, we call it story cell like a mother flower. I've got an entire mother flower series where we power write like a mother flower. We've got Google Doc sales mother flowers, and basically the storytelling is the email side. But I would basically just make an offer every day on LinkedIn through a story-driven post. But instead of sell on LinkedIn, I just get them to my email list. So the offer on LinkedIn is basically get on my email list. There's no selling whatsoever. And then once they're on my email list for, let's say the workshop is next Tuesday. So I've got 7 days. I'm going to write a story-driven email. And the offer is come to the workshop. We're going to do it anyway. Now, the difference here is you get the workshop done for your existing clients. And because you're going to do it anyway, you are getting paid to create. You are not creating to get paid, right? It's a pre-validated thing almost. So by selling those tickets, you're just inviting your leads to turn to customers and giving them access momentarily to this workshop. Now, they're still in the same room with your existing clients, right? And then you deliver the workshop as you would. No fancy sort of sales pitch stuff like this is what I mean by leading through demonstration, because as I am demonstrating, people get almost like a pre-buying experience. They get a sense of who you truly are and what you do, and get to spend that hour with you. And I always end it with like a Q&A where I sit around for another half hour or so and answer any questions that both my existing clients have and the once-off customers. And all I do with the workshop itself is I make an offer with the workshop replay. I'm like, hey guys, here's the replay. If you liked it and you enjoyed it and you want to join us, just let me know. And people just contact me and let me know, because I've given them that experience. And that is as easy as it gets. So you deliver the workshop and then invite the customers in the workshop to become clients. So those were the 4 steps, right? We sell tickets to our audience, number 1. Number 2, we deliver the workshop. Number 3, we make a client offer to the customers in the workshop. And number 4 is they become clients. Right? Now, I've added a little extra step to this equation because I'm a massive believer of leverage. Ever since I read the book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, it absolutely blew my mind. And I know a lot of people have read that in the past, but when I experienced it, I read it from a software engineering background, from a creative background. It was like my life story put into his own words. And I realized a lot of people have checklists and have things to do, but instead of having a to-do list, you should find assets to leverage. So I added this little bonus square here, if you see it here, which is the leverage piece and embodying Naval's words, which is once this workshop is done and I've recorded it, a few months later, I will package that existing workshop and recycle it. So right now I've created an asset that is already in my Google Drive. And what I want to do is take that asset from my Google Drive, which is in this case the workshop replay, and sell it to my leads on LinkedIn or my email list to turn them into customers. Now, the difference here is it doesn't require my time, right? I've already done that workshop today and I'm selling it in 2 months' time. So by recycling an existing asset, I'm experiencing leverage. And that by far has been one of the biggest hacks for me, because you may or may not have seen my lead magnet website, which is swipemymojo.com. That sells a customer offer that was done almost 2 years ago and has brought in $36K in front-end revenue and a lot more in the back end. because I just have it everywhere on my bio on Instagram, on my bio on LinkedIn, and wherever it may be. And people just opt into my email list and they are greeted with a very passive customer offer. Now that helps me bring in anywhere between $50 to $100 every day. I actually recorded a video last week. You can go check, showing you how I make $100 every day using this part of this model, right? So this is the 5th step. Now, it does have a lot of moving parts, but actually all you're doing is you're creating for your existing clients, you're packaging that, you're creating workshops, right? You're delivering the workshops, and you are just ascending those customers into clients. I know it's easier said than done, but I wanted to give you this high-level thinking because there is a lot on your Google Drive you could recycle, right? And there's a lot of ways you can turn leads to customers, to clients, without having to do these sales calls, without having to do push marketing and push selling. And instead, this is attraction marketing, it's pull marketing. Somebody's reading your story-driven email, is embodying what you do, and then once they like that, they shoot you a message and they attend a workshop. They like that experience, they're already pre-bought or pre-sold into that space that you are holding with Ultimate Truth, and then they become a client. Now, if they don't become a client, so be it. You've given it your all, you've gotten your karma points, right? Now, for me, last year I held 15 of these workshops, and all I aim to do is ascend 10-20% of those customers into clients. And that is, again, the sole reason why my pool of 400 customers accounts for 95% of my profits. So to summarize again, we've got selling tickets to our audience, hosting and delivering the workshop, making that client offer, and getting clients. And then the 5th step is recycling that workshop into a replay, right? And then, as Naval said, building leverage. So I hope, you learned a little bit of something today. I want to leave you with that. And I will see you in the next video. If you want to hit subscribe, you can do. I'm appreciating all of the love that I get over these videos as I aim to educate you guys. There is a modern maker in you somewhere, and sending you lots of gratitude and lots of love. Peace.